Morning, students. How are you? I hope you are well. Dear students, welcome to my online class. I am Muhammad Sajid Ali Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher in English, Pallavi Majidul Islam Model High School, Pallavi Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, today I am going to discuss from English grammar and composition for class 8. Topic assertive to interrogative. Dear students, here are some pages. Let us see them and try to imagine. What do you see? Oh, yes, some people are catching fishes. So they are catching fishes. Thank you. What do you see here? Oh, yes, they are listening to radio. Look at this picture. What do you see? The boy is playing football. Yes, thank you. There is another picture. Notice it. What do you see? Yes. Don't he singing a song? Thank you. Okay, learners, what type of sentences are they? Yes, they are assertive sentences and interrogative sentences. Very good. So, dear learners, from your answers, today our topic is transformation of sentence, assertive to interrogative. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to ask and answer questions about an interrogative sentence, transform assertive to interrogative sentence, and vice versa, and write answers to questions. Learners, now I am discussing some basic rules on assertive to interrogative. Rules are as follows. Rule number 1, assertive sentence having helping verb or auxiliary verb and affirmative in meaning. To make it interrogative, we have to follow the following structure. The structure is helping verb or auxiliary verb plus not plus subject plus extension plus question mark. Example, assertive, he is in the school. Interrogative, isn't he in the school? As the sentence is in positive in meaning, so we have to make it interrogative and negative at the same time. Assertive, you can do the work. Interrogative, and you do the work. Rule 2, assertive sentence having negative in meaning. To make it interrogative, we have to follow the following structure. The structure is helping verb plus subject plus extension plus question mark. Here no or not will be omitted. Assertive is not in the school. Interrogative is he in the school. As the sentence is in negative in meaning, so we have to make it interrogative and positive in meaning at the same time. Assertive, shall not go to Dhaka tomorrow. Interrogative, shall I go to Dhaka tomorrow? Here, not is not used here. To 3, assertive sentence having simple present tense. To make it interrogative, we have to follow the following structure. The structure is don't or doesn't, plus subject, plus verb, plus extension, plus question mark. Example, assertive, Saad plays cricket. Interrogative, doesn't Saad play cricket. The subject is third person and singular number, so we use doesn't. Assertive, they draw a picture. Interrogative, don't they draw a picture. And the subject is not third person and singular, so we have to use do not. Rule 4, assertive sentence having simple past tense. To make it interrogative, we have to follow the following structure. The structure is don't, plus subject, plus present of main verb, plus extension, plus question mark. Example, assertive, Saad played cricket. Interrogative, don't Saad play cricket. The sentence is in past tense, so we have to use don't. Then subject, then present form of main verb, then remaining part is. Then here, assertive, they drew a picture. Interrogative, don't they draw a picture. Rule 5, assertive sentence having everyone or everybody or all. To make it interrogative, we have to follow the following structure. Omitting everybody or everyone or all, we have to use who. Then doesn't or didn't, then base form of verb, then remaining part of the sentence, then question mark. Example, assertive, everybody likes flower. Interrogative, who doesn't like flower. Omitting everybody is used. Then doesn't, the remaining part of the sentence is written. Assertive, everybody loves his motherland. Interrogative, who doesn't love his motherland. To 6, assertive sentence having every plus noun. To make it interrogative, we have to follow the following structure. The structure is there any plus noun after every, plus who, plus doesn't, plus this form of verb, plus extension, plus question mark. Example, assertive, every man hates a war. Interrogative, is there any man who doesn't hate a war? Omitting every, is there any is hidden, then noun man, then who, then doesn't, then remaining part, hate a war, then question mark is written. Rule 7, assertive sentence having nobody or none or no one. To make it interrogative, we have to follow the following structure. The structure is who. That means omitting nobody, none or no one. We have to use who. Then remaining part of the sentence, then question mark or. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus extension plus question mark. Example, assertive, nobody found me. Interrogative, who found me. Here, omitting nobody is used, then remaining part is written. Assertive, no one can do this. Interrogative, who can do this? Can anyone do this? Played, Assertive sentence having every plus noun plus must. Make it interrogative. You have to follow the following structure. The structure is there any? That means omitting every we have to use is there any. The subject plus who will not plus verb plus extension. Example, assertive, every man must die. Interrogative, is there any man who will not die? Omitting every, is there any is written, then noun man, then who will not, then who, then omitting must, will not is written, then remaining part die is written. Assertive, student must obey the rules of discipline. Interrogative, is there any student who will not obey the rules of discipline? Rule 9, assertive sentence having there is no, to make it interrogative, you have to follow the following structure. The structure is there any plus subject plus extension plus question mark, or who plus verb plus extension plus question mark in case of person, or what plus verb plus extension plus question mark in case of thing or substance. Example, assertive, there is no man happier than Sab. Interrogative, is there any man happier than Sab? We are omitting there is no, is there any is written, the noun man, the remaining part is written, or who is happier than Sab? Assertive, there is no hope for me if you do not come. Interrogative, is there any hope for me if you do not come? Or what hope is there for me if you do not come? Rule 10, assertive sentence having nothing but. To make it interrogative, you have to follow the following structure. The structure is don't plus subject plus extension plus question mark, or what plus verb plus subject plus extension plus question mark. Example, assertive, friendship is nothing but a name. Interrogative, what is friendship but a name, or isn't friendship but a name? Rule 11, assertive sentence having it is no use. Make it interrogative, we have to follow the following structure. The structure is I plus verb plus extension plus question mark, or is there any use of plus verb plus ing plus extension plus question mark. Assertive, example, assertive, it is no use wasting time in gossiping. Interrogative, why waste time in gossiping? Or is there any use of wasting time in gossiping? Assertive, it is no use memorizing answer for any examination. Interrogative, why memorize answer for any examination? Or is there any use of memorizing answer for any examination? We are omitting it is no use. It is no, we have to use is there any, then remaining part of the sentence is written. Rule 12, assertive sentence having it does not matter, make it interrogative, you have to follow the following structure. The structure is word go plus extension. That means omitting it does not matter, we have to use word go, then remaining part of the sentence, then question mark, or what does it matter plus extension plus question mark. That example, assertive, it does not matter if I fail. Interrogative, what go if I fail? Are omitting it does not matter what is written, then remaining part is written, then question mark is used. Or what does it matter if I fail? Assertive, it does not matter if we lose the game. Interrogative, what go if we lose the game? Or what does it matter if we lose the game. Dear students, I am going to evaluate you. But before doing so, I am dividing you into some groups. Students of group A, you have to change the following sentences into interrogative. Sentences are given below. Sentence number 1, Sima likes flower. 2, Amin liked the late spring. 3, is not present in the meeting. 4, everybody loves a patriot. 5, nobody trusts a liar. Dear students, take your answers. And the possible answers are given below. 1, doesn't Sima like flower. 2, didn't Amin like the late spring. 3, is he present in the meeting? 4, who doesn't love a patriot? 5, who trusts a liar? Dear students of group B, you have to change the following sentences into interrogative. The sentences are given below. Number 1, he does not read identity. 2, nobody believes a liar. 3, they do nothing for the country. 4, everybody loves him. 5, I can never forget you. Students, take your answers. Answers are given below. Answer number 1, does he read attentively? 2, who believes a liar? 3, do they do anything for the country? 4, who doesn't love him? 5, can I ever forget you? Dear students, it's time for homework. Be ready with your pen and papers and write down the following sentences and try to transform them into interrogative. Question number 1, he is not a great fool. Question number 2, I can succeed in life. Question number 3, I have nothing to say. Question number 4, there is no use of this formula. Question number 5, they must not finish work. Dear students, thank you very much for joining with me. I will take up any other class on any other day. Till then, stay home and stay safe from COVID-19 called coronavirus. Allah Hafiz.